Do you ever shop the Michaels fabric? I love the Michaels and I love like a lot of their stuff. But we just recently, I'm trying to think how long ago, we got fabric in at our Michaels, but we only have it at a few Michaels, not at all locations. But I think they do have some really good options. And so they have like sport themed options because it's like fall and football season is starting or started. I don't know. But they have a lot of cute sports ones. If you do like sports themed crafts or different things like that, or maybe you want to make something cute, maybe even sell sporting items, you might want to get that from here because I know like out here or everywhere, all Joann's have closed, and that's where we would usually get like this type fabric at like Joann's or someplace, but well, Joann's have closed, so it's between now Michael's and Hobby Lobby where we can get fabric from. But they have like a lot of cute options, and you can see the prices aren't bad at all. And then they have a lot of themed ones, so they have like ones that be cute. I think for back to school. Out here, school hasn't started yet, so these would be cute for back to school time. They have a lot of cute prints. They have just a lot of fun ones for regular time. But I'm noticing with the Michaels fabrics, these are not going to be like you could with the cotton ones. You could maybe make like a cute little skirt or something like that, a cute button up or something, but not really. Fashion fabrics, but maybe for like Halloween costumes, different things like that. They have some fun picks, but like these are a lot of like crafty style fabrics that they do have in at Michael's. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, Walmart has fabric too, but again, not the ones that are close to me. It's like the one that does have a good fabric option. It's kind of far out, so it's exciting to have them at Michael's. But like I said, they have a lot of cute prints. They have Christmas prints out. They have Halloween prints out. They have character themed prints that you can grab at Michael's. And like I said, a lot of really cute items. These dogs are really cute, and you can see like most of them are like $5, $6. A lot of them are even under that, like just a couple of dollars. Some are less than $1 that you can grab. They have like the satin style fabrics. They have like not too much sequins, but like some with like a little glitter in it, so it kind of gives you like that sequency feel to it. But like I said, you can see like the little costumes there, so a lot of like cute costume fabrics. But if you wanted to use some of these to say maybe make like a cute little outfit or something like that, I think you can grab certain fabrics that you can incorporate and make. But you can make a lot of cute, oh my, for like baby showers and stuff like that, you can make some cute things. Even just with the regular like fabric, you can make like a little throw blanket for the baby with a little matching pillow or something like that for like a toddler. That might be cute. They have thicker fabrics, so if you wanted to do like some light upholstery, you can do that with those. And they have them in like a lot of little basic colors and stuff like that, but they have a lot of options. They had 2 rows of fabrics at this Michael's. I'm trying to think what the other Michael's, because the other one is far away. I haven't been there in a long time. That was the first time that I saw the fabrics at Michael's, but I haven't been over that way to go look again recently for the fabrics. And I have gotten some fabrics from Michael's too to do crafts, because like I said, there's not a lot of options out here. Like I said, I think they have some good deals. They have the little faux leather that you can grab. That might be cute to make something. And again, you can use these kind of like for upholstery, different things like that. But they have a good variety. So like I said, they have, and I feel like because they had Christmas, they have different things. I feel like they just keeping all seasons out. It's not just, this season, that season. It's just seems to be every season that is out. But that's good because then you can get jump on stuff. You can make stuff, all year round. You can see they have a lot of, like I said, character theme fabric, a lot of Disney, but just some really cute options. You can see the Christmas ones. They have ones for babies, just a lot of cute ones. I like the character theme ones. You can see the color looks so nice and vivid on those too. So like I said, for my area, it's between now Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and if I wanted to go for a bit of a drive, I can maybe go to Walmart. But I don't see this big of a variety even when I do go out to the Walmart that is out here. So Michael's, it's what it's looking like for me. But you can make some cute things. To me, this, like I said, this is more crafty fabric, so you can do like some cute things. But if you are in to crafting, I think definitely check out and see if your Michaels has like a fabric section, because they have a lot of cute ones. I was thinking about starting to make ears for the theme parks and stuff like that, for myself. And I think some of these might be cute. Some of the prints are too big, especially like, but some of the smaller prints might work well for me to do that. I think that'd be cute, and you can even make it. And because, like I said, you can use the cotton for like a cute little skirt or something like that, and then imagine like the ears and then a cute little skirt to go with it. That might be cute. Might be something I'm thinking about doing. But they have like solid prints. Like I said, they have such a good variety. And like I said, I hadn't looked at the fabrics in such a long time at Michael's, because usually there's one fabric store that's like far out, but we usually go to there for like, because we do a lot of like fashion projects, not too many with the crafting projects with the fabric, even though I am thinking about doing more sewing projects with fabric. That's why I came and I was looking at the fabric section to see, because we do have a Hobby Lobby closer to us now. They have a lot of good options too, but I was just thinking about if I wanted to grab some of the fabrics that they did have. They have Harry Potter theme, and you can make like some cute aprons and stuff. Like I had made before, I made like a few different like things of aprons, because like I said, I was thinking about getting back into sewing. So I had made a few different aprons, and like these prints would be so cute, especially if you know somebody who likes certain characters, different things like that and stuff. Like maybe make them like a cute little gift or something like that. You can make you can even make like kitchen pot holders, different things like that with some of these fabrics. That might be a fun idea to give, and it's like making those type things are really easy and simple. It doesn't take like too much work, too much skill to make those, but those might be fun. There are a lot of cute, like fun, quick sewing projects, or even some with no sew projects that you can do using like the fabrics here. But you can see they have a ton. They have a ton of Disney, and like I said, they do have other prints and stuff like that. They have the solid prints, they have the floral prints, they have the sports prints. They have like the upholstery fabric, and you can see, like I said, the prices are good. I haven't used a coupon because, like I said, I haven't shopped for the fabric in a long time. But I'm thinking, because usually everything with the coupon is full price stuff, and I didn't see like an exclusion on fabric for the coupon. So then if you have a coupon, then you can get like an extra discount too on top of that. So you might want to try that. So but in the fabric section, you're going to get like all the other stuff, like, you know, the knitting stuff and all of that stuff too that you can grab. They even those cute little furry balls there and stuff. And they're having a clearance event right now at Michael's, if you didn't know, and it's like up to 80% right now for the clearance event. So you can get like a lot of good things. But they did have some fabric in on clearance, and to me, a lot of fun ones that would be good for like Halloween coming up. You can grab those. They have, like I said, some basic prints that, you know, you just use all year round, because, you know, like the summer, spring type things are on clearance right now at Michael's. But to me, a lot of these prints do not give summer, spring. They just give a cute print. So you can grab some of those, but then they still have some cute little character options too in the clearance. And you can see, to me, that's a good amount in the clearance section that you can grab. I don't think on the clearance though you can use the coupons for that, but you can still get a deal on those fabrics at Michael's. Let me know if you shop the fabrics at Michael's.